Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're gonna do a quick little review on the Mossy Oak Full Foliage film. Now, this is just released just a little while ago, so we thought we'd do a quick little video. We've got a couple of jobs that we've already got in, so we thought it was a perfect time to show you guys a few things on why we absolutely love this Mossy Oak Full Foliage hydrographic film. So if you've not seen the full foliage yet, you can definitely see it here, and pretty much it's a combination of the old bottomlands and a little bit of the green leaf. And of course, we've got a little bit different trees, a little bit different leaves, but all in all, this is going to be the full foliage. So of course, definitely more of a spring type pattern, but it's been a really popular pattern, especially here lately since they've just released it. So let's go ahead and get this on the water and I'll kind of talk a little bit about this. So this film is just like a lot of the other films that they have. It's really great to work with, but there are a couple of differences in the actual settings that we found that seems to work a lot better just overall. And so the first one is that we actually set our time for 2 minutes. Now, most of the Mossy Oak films, in our opinion, and in just doing this, we found that they do have a little bit longer soak time. So with this one, with us testing it, we're sitting at about 84 degrees right now. We are at about 2 minutes on the soak time. So we've got 2 minutes on the soak time. And then as far as activator goes, we're gonna be spraying the Liquid Concepts activator. Now, of course, I'm sure Mossy Oak has their own specific proprietary brand. And if you wanna use that, perfectly fine. But we found that our activator actually works really well. The colors come out really crisp and clean and all of that. So we was really happy about using the Liquid Concepts activator. So everything else, it's going to be pretty standard. Once we spray the activator, then it's gonna glass it out really nice. And then we let it sit for maybe about 10 seconds or so after we've sprayed our activator, which is pretty much enough time to go ahead, grab the part, come back over here, and you're ready to dip. So I got about 30 seconds left here. I'm gonna grab some gloves on, and then we're gonna dip a gun stocks just so you guys can see what all it looks like. It comes out really nice. Also, you're going to have a base coat of the same as the original bottomland. So if you've already got that color already in your cabinet or something, then you can use that color, and that's the same color that you're gonna use for the full foliage. So one nice steady pass all the way across. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Have about a 20% overlap all the way around. And then we'll let that sit, let it glass out. We'll check it. Everything looks beautiful on here. So of course we're gonna stay away from this side over here. And now we've got our stock. So we'll come in, go down just like so. And beautiful. So we'll rinse this out just a little bit, and coming back out, looking at it, everything looks really good all the way around. Even on this back side over here, we've got really great color and everything. So now all we need to do is rinse this off and we'll be good to go. Line is really straight and all of that. So I'd say this is definitely a great hit. So now we're ready to rinse it and then go ahead and clear coat it, do any touch-ups if we need to do that before the clear coating. But then after that, clear it, and then it's ready to send back to the customer. So as you can clearly see, the Mossy Oak Full Foliage is a great pattern to use. It stretches really well. It is really colorful, really vibrant, and of course, the Liquid Concepts activator works really well with it. So if you're curious about getting the activator or any of the base coats or anything like that, definitely check out the links in the description below. We're gonna have those there for you if you need to check it out, as well as just wanted to put this out there. I am not affiliated with Mossy Oak in any way, so we have purchased this film. They did not send this to me for free or anything like that, so it's not an advertisement for them, but we've got a lot of customers that have requested a Mossy Oak type video, so we thought we'd shoot a quick little video, show you guys a few things, but wanted to make sure that we cleared that up, that we do not actually sell or distribute any of the Mossy Oak films. You'll have to actually get those directly from Mossy Oak themselves. So if you're curious on that, contact them. They can get you all the film and everything that you need for it. But if you need anything else as far as your clear, your activator, your primers, paints, and things like that, definitely check out the website. It has everything there all ready to go. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button as well as hit the subscribe button and let me know your thoughts on how the gun stock came out. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.